What makes visual data understandable over time? Imagine a photograph you took 2 years ago while researching neighborhood murals as expressions of community identity. You still have the image, but do you know who appears in it? When and where was it taken? Did the person in the photo consent to being photographed? And is anyone else allowed to reuse it? Without this information, even a photo collected legally and ethically may become unusable. Metadata is the information that keeps visual data understandable, traceable, and usable beyond the original project. Without that context, visual data may be misunderstood or used outside its original meaning. So, how does metadata develop throughout the research lifecycle? Good metadata is built from the information generated while the research is being conducted. As you photograph murals and film interviews with residents in the field, you are already producing the information that metadata will later record. For example, who's speaking or appears in each shot, the exact date and location, and the consent conditions attached to that specific image or clip. Recording this information from the beginning makes it easier to understand and manage the visual material later. During the archiving and preservation phase, metadata takes center stage. This is when researchers organize and finalize rich metadata at both the item level and the dataset level. Item-level metadata describes a single file or visual object so that it can be understood on its own. For every mural photograph and interview clip, this may include a title or short description, the date and place of creation, and the creator. It should also identify the type of visual material, such as a photograph, video, or screenshot. Item-level metadata should record the consent conditions attached to the file, together with the copyright and license information governing its use. Dataset-level metadata describes the complete collection of files belonging to the same research dataset. For the mural project, this means documenting the title of the dataset and a description of the project. It should include the research questions, methodology, period of data collection, and geographic scope of the neighborhood studied. It should also explain the ethical conditions, consent framework, and reuse conditions applying to the dataset as a whole. Detailed metadata supports compliance with the FAIR principles. Indeed, metadata lets other researchers actually locate visual data among thousands of other datasets. It specifies the conditions under which your visuals can be viewed. Its standardized formats let your dataset be read and understood across different systems and repositories. And it carries forward the context, the consent conditions, the license, so other people can actually use your material responsibly. To learn more about metadata, visit codavis.org.